If I had to create a holiday for this city, I would probably make it about trams, I guess, like an official tram holiday. Maybe you get to pick your favorite line or whatever, choose a few spots along the way, maybe grab a coffee. That would be my official Gothenburg holiday.
Our office is located in the center of the city at Kungsgatan, and I really like that it's close to a lot of good cafes and restaurants. We often go to the local market hall for lunch.
The vibe at the office is quite playful and fun. We have these splashes of yellow throughout the office, and it feels like we brought the sunshine in. One of my favorite things in the office is a Lego set we built together. It's a tiny TV with Mario in it.
In Gothenburg, we have a lot of green areas in the city, and one thing I like to do is to go for a run in the botanical gardens.
I have a thing for libraries. I really do love going to the library, and I think there's lots of different cozy libraries in Gothenburg you can visit.
One thing not to miss while you're exploring Gothenburg is the many microbreweries we have scattered around.
And my favorite after-work spot is Duget's. They're a brewery with really good, nice, quirky beer and good food.
I started at Prototyp 6 years ago as a summer intern, and today I work as a tech manager. In the beginning, my main focus was improving as a programmer, but over time, my role has changed more towards supporting others.
Personally, I feel like the company culture has really cultivated me as a person in a sense that I feel like people trust me and believe in me.
As a curious person, I really like working at Prototyp because we're not afraid to try out new technologies.
We try different tech stacks out. We try to find what fits best for the purpose. That pushes us to be quite curious and be comfortable with being in like an experimental phase, really.